Welcome! So for this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on your Safe Search on Google. So first, you want to open your Google app, and then as you can see on the upper right side of your screen, that is your profile, and you want to click on that, and then click Settings, and then after that, as you can see here, there's a Safe Search option, and you want to click on that, and then after that, if you want to turn on your Safe Search, just click on the switch and it must be blue, and if you don't want to, just click on that and the switch is now on gray. So when Safe Search is on, it helps hide explicit content on search. When Safe Search is off, you'll see the most relevant results for your search, which may include explicit content like images of violence. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.